I know, I saw the numbers.
It should be fun.
So the Christmas bells are ringing in the distance, and before you know it, your co-workers will be letting loose at the annual Christmas party. But how loose can you get? This girl talk, we're going to go through some do's and some definitely do's not.
Don'ts.
Okay.
Don'ts.
Do dress appropriately. So if the invitation says, okay, the party is going to be dinner and then we're going to have a dance, and you see the people are going to one nice hotel, dress properly and go to man. Nobody say, Lord of the office, I'm just going to fling on one jeans. Don't do it. Likewise, if them say we don't have the budget, so we're just going to have a little get together in the sports bar, you don't have to sequins in the sports bar.
Yeah, sequins are the thing.
You know the sports
blue
bar?
ones.
Of course. You have on the sequin on your shirt and you flip it up so and you catch one way and you flip it up so. Not the hentai. Look on Booker's shirt. Booker could put on that shirt with a
Because
nice
there's a little bit,
pants
me
and...
talk like a full sequin.
Oh,
from
no.
head to toe.
Yeah, no. Yeah.
No be extra. In other words, don't be extra. Don't be the person where people are hide and take picture of. For send go show people, say look here.
Look what this
Go
child
to my
wear.
office party.
So don't overdress and don't underdress. All right.
It's social media.
Don't
Smart
be a Grinch. Oh. In every office, there are some who will approach an office party like they're too cool for school.
Yeah.
You know that one person?
Yeah.
This party
Stay
is
home.
so boring.
Stay home.
What's happening here?
Yeah.
Why am I here?
And you're doing giveaways and you say, all right,
And
we're
they
going to do
just
some
sit.
giveaways, and them say,
Just
nobody
sit.
get me involved in that. I don't want to do that.
Don't go.
Party pooper.
Stay home.
Yeah.
Please.
I mean, say, me and them there all week. I don't know why I'm going to come back.
Like you're doing people a favor.
No come, stage by there.
You don't got to make it. You
Make
don't gotta-
it a duty to speak with someone new.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
take some
yes.
time to network.
Yeah.
I would say, if not necessarily someone new, take the opportunity to have a conversation with someone.
You've never spoken?
Yeah. Because you might have a co-worker where the only conversation you ever have is about the work.
It's true.
Yes.
About the work.
Yeah.
It's true.
So there's even an administrative assistant where everything is type this, mail this. But it's nice that you can have a conversation.
To stretch that point, you know what you can do? You can Google and say icebreakers if you don't really know how to come into a conversation instead of just talking about the weather and who, where, what last week. Icebreakers, and that will now make you involved into a great conversation.
Because these parties are a chance to let you hear down and forget about the work for a good while.
Team building.
Yeah, maybe
Team
even
building,
have them
team
something
building.
there.
Team
And
building.
that's why it's important for you to find either a resident vibes master or somebody who you can bring in from outside.
Yeah.
Yes.
Who can get those engagements going
Yes.
so that
Yeah.
people
Yes.
can do what they otherwise
Yes.
would not have done, and people can see each other in different
Different
lights and
lights.
laugh and have fun. and
Yes, ma'am.
I'm with you.
Don't arrive too early or stay too late. Don't arrive too late either. Because if the office party is from A to B to C and you reach the C,
D.
really? And I've seen a lot of that, like office party are weird for start and it's empty because people feel they must make a grand
entrance.
Yes.
Only one diva
You
here.
look at me in a
two.
day party with only for all me and come late. If I me and come late and I share out food in a container, you know.
I'm gone.
All
I'm
over.
lucky if I don't get none to eat.
It's all
It's
over.
just rude.
But you know what
it's
these
just
people
rude.
are trying to do? They're doing exactly what we said they should do in number one. Well, not doing number one because you
Them
know
are
that's to
over.
get the best. Them are overdo it.
I'm overdoing
So
it.
them come in now, them need a Pantarigi and
People
some
to see them.
theme
People to
music
see
when
them.
they're walking in and stuff.
Yeah. Look
No,
here,
forget about
people
that.
will see you, but not the way you want them to see you.
Exactly.
And you lose position.
Exactly.
You
Not
lose
puppy.
position.
Puppy show.
And if the party done, don't make them have to turn off the light on you.
I know.
Yeah.
Well, if the party's that good, maybe they will.
Turn off the light
Because
on
you
you.
guys are having so much fun
But
that
why
you
you
just
have
don't
to
want
be
to
the
go.
one for them turn off the light on?
Because I don't want to go
I
home.
don't want to go because them come late to begin with.
Yes.
You
Having
understand?
such a good time.
Go
It's
So
a
the
good
party
time.
done already. I'm
Just come. No, you're 4 hours late.
Do talk about something besides work. We just
Please.
Yeah, we
mentioned
just
that.
spoke about that.
Please
So-
please do.
Families,
Don't go to
hobbies.
the office party, go talk about Hi, Benji.
Yeah.
Did you send off the memo? No, me not answer you. And it will come there for talk about.
Correct.
Yeah.
No.
Correct. So
Are you say-
let's play, you know, taboo or something.
Yeah.
None of that. Office work is not going to be a focus at that party. Don't overindulge.
Oh, please.
As of that one,
Oh, please.
As they
Why we
said,
do
you
that?
don't want to be the person who they take the
Overindulge. Hey, some people go
pictures and the
office
photos
party, you know.
off.
They go office party and them say, me? And I company pay feet.
Exactly.
I go and drink the whole night.
night.
And then they drink and they're not used to drinking.
Right, and then you become the
And then-
sloppy drunk. And you
And
say all
then
kind
there
of
are
things where you're not
pictures on
supposed to.
Monday.
Exactly. The smartphones, people, be aware.
And then you indulge
aware.
and your tongue get loose.
Yeah.
And you go see all
All
your
kind
boss
of something.
and say, boss, I never know you that come here because the way you mean. I never know you that come here. And you lose your work. Look here.
Lose your
true.
filter. Don't
I mean,
do it.
It is an office party and there are opportunities for you to let loose, but you still have to realize the parameters within which you're operating.
Thank you,
And
sir.
you have to have a certain kind of standard of behavior because some things you say there will get you not back there on Monday.
So here's some of the parameters too. You see this thing named sexual harassment at the workplace?
yeah.
Don't feel because the office party,
Yes.
sexual harassment can happen at the office party. So you see some woman at your office where you would normally put argument to, but you're there office party and you say, come at me, so I can't me go right up. No.
And it
Don't
comes in
forget.
different
Work,
formats.
work
you know.
start back Monday
Yeah.
morning.
The sexual harassment can be a look. It can be a touch.
No, it's
No.
not allowed at the party if
Nothing
she's
allowed?
not interested, gentlemen.
No.
No, chef.
No.
If she's good with it, that's fine. If she's not good with it, it's not
It's
cool.
not
allowed.
fine. It's not allowed.
You're gonna end up with a 10 city. Oh, and you know what's the next thing to Simone? Them start up a party romance. A party romance for the night, you
For the
know.
night,
Party
and then now Monday
for the night.
morning you go
come
like
and
in
them
a
say,
sea.
wait, I saw Simone look outside at work. And them say, come Simone, let me get you something to eat. Do you want
Yeah.
to drink? And them and Simone dance all night. And them and say, Simone, you look good. And Simone, and then when Monday morning come now,
No.
Come with
and
the same
Simone,
argument.
no, when
Simone
Monday
gone
morning
back to
come
her
now and
work.
Simone say, hi, Sheffield. Him say, no, Simone. I just see party
Party
something that.
something that.
That is that create a whole different
whole-
tension at the workplace. So now go there.
I
Do-
totally agree.
Do say thank you. Say thank you. The
All right.
people who have helped to organize the party. I'm coming, Sheffield. The people who have organized the party. I put a lot of work in outside of their office hours.
Yeah, pep. So express gratitude.
Yeah.
It's not an easy thing to plan an office party, trust me, especially when it's a whole heap of people. And you want everybody to be happy, so you go of your way to make sure that everybody has something to do. It's a tiny gesture, but it goes a long way. So say thank you to the people who put up the budget.
Yes.
So thank your boss, and thank the people who
And you know
have.
that's a serious thing because we
And,
really don't say much of
and
thank you
as
here,
someone
you know.
is reminding
don't.
me, because he told me to say, make sure when you're making up the budget, it's not the public funds.
It's not the
paying
public
the
funds.
budget.
There you go.
Yeah.
There you go. But we should say
Wow.
thank you all the time.
Yeah.
It's not an easy
Your
thing to do.
cake don't
here
have to be very
in this
expensive. I
country.
find
No,
sugar
we
and
don't say
spice
thank
is
you.
very good cake.
Very smart.
And it don't cost a lot. Do keep up with office
baking this
etiquette.
year.
Nobody wants to be the party clown, but when it comes down to it, somebody will inevitably do or say something embarrassing. Please don't let that person be you.
But that is now with people who drink too much, who
Yeah.
know that they can't drink and then they
Yeah.
lose their filter and then it just gone all over the place and gets sloppy.
Correct.
Want to be
Don't
known
do
for
it.
your professionalism and not your mishaps.
Exactly.
So when music are playing, they side of your boss, and you say, hear that tune, and you stop. No,
Right.
no.
And you know what?
no.
The
You
party
start use some
mishaps.
language when you're supposed
Yeah.
to use side of your
There you
boss.
go.
Yeah, Boss Blanc and all them something
know.
there. And the
And
ground.
the party mishaps follows you for the entire year, you know. You see what did happen last year when
If you have-
Susan
if
come-
you
Marvin, you
have
have to
work.
be on the ground to
yeah,
enjoy the party.
if you have work. If you have work.
Well, if you're gonna be on the ground, just know who you're gonna be in front of on the ground. Maybe the boss is gonna be on the ground. Maybe the boss is gonna be doing that. But I'm saying know your office and how you must behave.
Marvin,
I'll
I've
tell-
gone on
I'll
a
tell-
I've
party.
heard some
Marvin, a
very
party on a
serious
farm.
horror stories. So guys, enjoy yourself, but you know, not too much. No, chef.
No,
We'll talk to you about
Sheffield.
it after the air. That's it for Girl Talk. Chef, you cannot go and harass somebody who do not interest in dancing with you. If you go in and you shoving up on the person and the person don't interest, that is an invasion of the person's privacy.